Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss another video. So today I have made this crazy thing. And yes, as you saw in the title, it is a Hot Wheels track plus a Lego ramp. So, yeah, so here on my bed we have the Hot Wheels track, and then it kind of goes down on my bed through, like, down here through these football pylons, and then over here where then it ramps off these Legos. So yeah, we're gonna be ramping this car off those Legos. So you have the car here. It's red. My favorite color. Well, not exactly. Gold's my favorite color, but red's, I really like red too. It's my second favorite color. So we got a red car here. So you guys, it may look like pink or purple, but with the flames on the side, of course you need those flames, yeah. You need flames to have a good car to do this, so, yeah. We're going to put it in over here. So you have a good angle of the ramp that's right there. See that blue thing sticking up over there? Yeah, that's where the ramp is. And you may be able to see the car go through that. I'm not sure though, but yeah. Let's try it out. Okay. Here we go. Okay, that time it did pretty well. I think we can get a little bit more air on that. Here we go. Or the Hot Wheels track fell off. So yeah, I'm gonna try that again. Put it over here, and oh, that got so much air. That got quite a bit of air. It even almost hit you guys down there. It got quite a bit of air. It went pretty far. Because between you guys and this ramp here, there's about 3 feet. 2 or 3 feet, yeah. Maybe one, like 2, 3, or 4 feet, yeah. Is between you guys and this ramp. So yeah, it did go pretty far. It did go pretty high. I think maybe you can go higher, but also comment down below if you think I should get more Hot Wheels tracks and be able to make an even bigger ramp with it. So yeah, because I would like to have more tracks to make an even bigger ramp. Here we go. It didn't even get through these pylons right here, and when I touch the pylons, it messed up the ramp. So yeah, try number 3 or 4. I don't know which one. Ow! So it started falling down and hit my foot pretty hard, which hurt. Oh man, that hit you guys. Yeah, that hit you guys. It came off the ramp, hit you guys, made the ramp come down here. So yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell, so you'll never miss another video that I post. So yeah, and see you next time from IJK Sports.